Could luxury fashion finally be taking a sustainability stand? Kering became the first fashion company to adopt science-based targets for nature. Kering are a large conglomerate that own many fashion brands including Gucci, YSL, Bottega, Balenciaga and McQueen. The science-based target network assess brands, prioritize their environmental impact and then set targets. The ones for nature relate specifically to biodiversity, and it means that Kering has committed to meeting these targets as a whole group, as well as publicly disclose any progress they make along the way. Fashion brands have been underperforming to meet the targets set to reduce emissions and tackle climate change. But biodiversity loss is a huge issue in the fashion industry and just as important to the health of the planet. These targets are region specific and relate to matters such as soil health, water pollution, and the relationships communities have with their local ecosystems. It is good that Kering have made a step forward and made this commitment for all of their brands. They've also committed to reach net zero greenhouse gas emissions across their value chain by 2050 by setting long and short-term goals which are verified by the Science Based Targets Network. But in the pilot trial for science-based targets with nature, it also included brands like LVMH and H&M. So we will be keeping an eye on them to see what they do when the pilot ends in January and to see whether or not they used it as a learning opportunity or just another chance to try and greenwash us.